Yo, what's going on guys? Carter Payne back with another video, and today we're going to be going over some cheap mods you can do to your E36 to get some more power out of it. Let's get into it. Alright, so what we're going to be doing today is doing the debaffling of the airbox, let it breathe a little bit more and get some more air through it and everything, and it should make it sound pretty sick and should make it perform a little better. That's what I've read on the forums and everything. So let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, let's get this airbox off, and there's a couple clips on each side, and then we can undo these bolts, and then after that we can take off the airbox. Let's get that. Alright, so we got the airbox out, and now we just have to take out the baffle, which is right there, and there's one on the inside as well. So let's go take those out. Alright, and that's the baffle out. You can see how much larger the opening for it is now. It was restricted by that, now it's that. So it should make better airflow and more sound. Let's see if it does. Alright, now we just gotta put everything back in the car. Shouldn't be too crazy. Just gotta put everything back where it was. Let's get into it. First things first, I noticed that it feels like it's running better. Like it feels more responsive. But let's see if it's any faster. Definitely sounds different. Louder for sure, way louder. But like performance wise, I don't know if it adds that much. It doesn't feel that different. but definitely adds something to it. It's definitely more enjoyable than like stock, I would say. Alright, well guys, that's going to be the video. Hope you enjoyed, and what you should be left with is this baffle, like I said, pretty easy mod. The biggest thing you notice is like the sound. The car overall sounds louder, which is always a plus. And maybe a little bit faster, not much, but you know, everything helps and it adds up. So anyways guys, keep watching, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next one. Peace out.